Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. So today we're going to be talking sandpaper. Festool just came out with some new sandpaper assortments. They're preloaded. Right now they're offering it for their 5-inch sanders in a preloaded assortment in a Systainer, and then also for the RO90 sander. All right. No word on if they're going to do this for the 6-inch sanders and any of the other sanders. Right now, these are the two SKUs that they've released. They are regularly stocked items and they are shipping now. They both go for $199 on each one of these packages of assorted paper. And let's just go through it real quick. So open it up. Did I mention the price? Did I mention the price? $199? $199 again on each one of these. All right. So we're going to start with the 5-inch. So you're getting the Sys 1 with the insert here. And you can see this is a 100-piece assortment of paper. All the information of what grit you're getting and the quantity is on the website. I can't memorize all that, sorry, but it is on the website, I promise you. So you're getting a 100-piece assortment here, starting with 60, 80, 120, 180, 220, and then you're also getting the interface pad. This is great for doing curved surfaces, edges. It really conforms to what you're working with, so you're not going to gouge your material with the sander instead of just using it and attaching the paper to that. You put this in between, line up your holes like so, and that's your interface pad. You can see it's like almost like a kitchen sponge is the way I always have described it. All right, and this will work on any of the Festool 5-inch sanders. So we have an ETS 125 here. It'll work on their brushless. It'll work on their RO 125 sander, etc. Their cordless sanders. Anything 5-inch. So that's the 5-inch sets. Again, $199, comes loaded. So just to show you the value here, we went through a couple different ways with like 10 packs, trying to figure out the savings here. There is a good amount of savings. This Systainer with the insert alone is $92. This pad is $25 just for that. And then you got all the sandpaper. If you bought them in 10 packs roughly, for each piece of paper is, I believe, $14.75. So there is a good value here to buying this. It's a great starting point when you're getting a sander too. If you don't want 50 packs, 100 packs, you can start with this and then figure out what grits you're going to use more. Then maybe you go and buy the bulk packs. $125. Next one here is going to be for the RO90. Again, same price on just the Systainer with the insert alone is $92. Sorry, I don't remember what this is. But again, there is definite savings here with buying this. All right, it's a 100-piece assortment between the triangle or delta shape paper, and then the same with the round paper here. And you're starting with 60 and going up to 180. Again, the amounts are going to be on our website on this. This is also $199, and this is going to work with the RO90 sander. It's a great starting point. Again, if you're not sure what grits to get, and then once you figure out what grits you're using more of, then you can buy them in quantity, or bulk, and then refill this as you wish. Again, $199 on this one. They're both live. These are regular SKUs on our site, toolnut.com, and we're also festoolproducts.com for those of you that weren't aware of that. This is part number 576677. That's on the RO90 assortment, and then on the 5-inch assortment, this is 576676. We'll have them listed in the description, or if you just go to our website and put in Festool sandpaper assortment, those will pop up along with a bunch of other sandpaper. Thanks again for watching. I'm Doug with toolnut.com.